Hello everyone! Today we'll talk about how to invite your friend if you're free. We also will talk about how to say I was about to. This is Hala. Welcome to Speak Real Arabic. Let's say that I want to invite Sarah to come over. I can tell her Sarah مري لعندي. مري لعندي. لعندي is like to my place. Now let's add I have a free time. أنا فاضية. أنا فاضية. We can also say أنا عندي وقت. I have a time. عندي وقت. So now let's say the whole sentence. سارة مري لعندي أنا فاضية. Or سارة مري لعندي أنا عندي وقت. So as we noticed, this was for female. For male, مر like مر لعندي. مر لعندي. Now let's speak about I was about to do something, then something happened. جيت بدي, I was about to. So literally it's like I came to want to do something. جيت بدي, but it's not like this, it's just I was about to. So I was about to call him. جيت بدي اتصله. جيت بدي اتصله. I was about to call him. Then he called. This is how we will say it in Arabic. هو اتصل. We will use Actually really has no meaning, but we will use it in this case. هو اتصل, which gives you the meaning then he called. This was our video for today. I really hope you find it useful. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you soon.